As we walk through this section, you'll notice something immediately. All of this natural light. It's not by accident. During Building C's complete redesign, the architects made the deliberate choice to incorporate extensive windows, transforming what was once a very different structure into this light-filled creative space. The classroom in this area, Room 271, is home to many classes for the SMC's Bachelor of Science in Interaction Design program. This is one of the first bachelor's degrees offered by a community college in California, preparing students for careers in UX and UI design, product design, and digital experience creation. Our graduates go on to design the apps, websites, and digital interfaces you use every day. Look inside and you'll immediately notice the walls are alive with creativity, covered in whiteboards and colorful sticky notes from our cohort's brainstorming sessions. There are evidence of intense design thinking, user journey mapping, and collaborative problem solving that happens throughout the semester. Each sticky note cluster tells a story of students tackling real-world design challenges together. The common area just outside has become an extension of the classroom, where students continue their design discussions and group projects. You'll often find design students here building on ideas that started in class.